three distinct images of the biggest battle of the 2014 elections. Narendra Modi coming across as a man on a mission with an army of supporters when he filed his nomination papers for the Varanasi contest. The BJP PM candidates' proposals included renowned classical vocalist Pandit Chunnu Lal Mishra, PHU founder Madan Mohan Malviya's grandson, and former judge Giridhar Malviya, Malla Veerbhadra Nishad and Weaver Ashok. And soon after filing his nomination, Modi attempted to strike an immediate chord with one of the India's holiest of cities and its residents.
जहाँ पर भगवान बुद्ध ने संदेश दिया था, वो वाराणसी सारनाथ की धरती, यही भोले बाबा की धरती, यही संकट मोचन की सारी शक्तियां जहां अपरंपार है, वो भूमि, उस भूमि की सेवा करने का मुझे सौभाग्य मिला है और मेरा मन कहता है मैं आया नहीं हूं, मुझे भेजा भी नहीं है, मां गंगा ने बुलाया है.
Before filing his nomination, Modi undertook a roadshow which turned the streets of Varanasi into a sea of saffron. He arrived in the temple city around 10 in the morning, 2 hours later than scheduled, and first lay flowers at the feet of Madan Mohan Malviya's statue. Later, he also paid homage to the statue of Sardar Patel and Swami Vivekananda. His roadshow atop a small truck was 3 kilometers long. But Modi's grand show has drawn flack from the Congress. It has complained to the Election Commission for the event being held and broadcast on most TV news channels on the same day as the 6 ways of polling on 117. The BJP has hit back.
की शक्ल में दिखाने तक तो कोई एतराज नहीं है, लेकिन जिस तरह से पूरी उनकी यात्रा को और उनकी कवरेज को दिखाया जा रहा है पूरे देश के अंदर, उससे 117 सीटों पर वोट को प्रभावित करने की कोशिश की जा रही है और हमारा यही एतराज है और हमने इलेक्शन कमीशन में अभी इसकी शिकायत की है.
कौन सा गलत काम हुआ? नामांकन के दिन नामांकन किया, इसमें कुछ गलत बात नहीं है, लेकिन कांग्रेस को अब समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि कैसे विरोध करें, इसलिए अनाप शनाप बातें कर रहे हैं.
Modi is being challenged for the Varanasi seat by AAP's Arvind Kejriwal and Congress's Ajay Rai. Kejriwal filed his nomination just a day ahead of Modi. Even the SP and BSP have fielded local contenders against him. BJP leaders have made claims of a Modi wave sweeping the country soon after his nomination from Varanasi, but his rivals are dismissive.
Modi wave is the creation of the media. I think the country as a whole is swept by any Modi way.
ऐसे लोग जो गुजरात मॉडल लेकर के आए हैं, ऐसे लोग जिन्होंने झूठ का सहारा लिया और प्रचार का सहारा लिया, जहां प्रचार पे लगातार अरबों रुपए खर्च कर रहे हैं, मैं समझता हूं बनारस की जनता ऐसे लोगों को रोकने का काम करेगी.
Wave or not, Narendra Modi made an all-out effort to woo Varanasi's voters. He pledged a better future for its residents and place for the city on the global stage. The BJP's PM candidate is also contesting from Gujarat's Vadodara, and it's still not clear whether he'll give up that seat for Varanasi if he wins both. Clearly, it's a bridge that will cross only in the event of people of Varanasi decide to put their fate in Modi's hands. Bureau Report, DD News.